Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Cheesecake. Take 2 tablespoons oil in the pan. 2 chopped onions. Sauté well. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Sauté well. 1 small chopped capsicum. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Add salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. 1/4 cup grated carrots. 1/4 cup boiled mashed green peas. 350 grams boiled shredded chicken. Combine well. 3 boiled mashed potatoes. Mix well. Your stuffing is ready. Place the butter paper in the cake tin. Spray oil on all sides. Spread with help of brush. Arrange bread slices. Press well with help of spoon. Spray some more oil. Again press it well. Now add chicken cake stuffing that we've made earlier. Spread evenly. Sprinkle some black pepper powder. For tempering, add oil. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 to 3 green chilies. 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Pour on chicken cake tin. Spread the tadka. Now add mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add 3 pinches of salt and 3 eggs. 2 pinches of turmeric. Beat well. Pour beaten eggs on top. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until eggs cook well. Our delicious chicken cake is ready to enjoy. Cut into desired pieces. You must have eaten a lot of cakes. Try this chicken cake once and then you will ask for this cake every time. Similarly, I made this. Our cheesy, super delicious chicken cake is ready. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Simply follow the steps and you'll achieve this cake. Pour tempering. Add cheese and tomatoes. Pour beaten eggs, then bake. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.